Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIGH. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Real quick, what I mean by 60-minute time frame is each one of these bars, or candlesticks as they're known, instead of representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 1 hour's worth of price action. So the reason I wanted to do this time frame is, real quick, if we look at the daily chart, all you can really see is, came to life here, consolidated, and then just absolutely massive move. So I'm not going to call it worthless, but at the same time, there's very limited information that you can currently pull from the daily chart besides, just saying, hey, it had a monster day. When we look at the 60-minute, we can extrapolate a little bit more information from it. So that's why we're going to spend our time down here. So what I want to first point out is just, a beauty of an example of an intraday pattern that took shape. You can see the first hour, the chart absolutely exploded. And then as the morning kind of wound down and then you went into lunch, you can see this portion of the pattern formed. So what we had here was a bull flag, bull pennant, whatever you want to call it. The psychology is what matters, and the psychology was big move up. Then you had to let the profit takers out. I mean, you had all these people that were accumulating down in this area. So those people were locking in some profits there. And then when they were finally done, and then of course, the power hour, quote unquote, comes along, you can see volume started to rise. And then this was a good sign. Price started to react bullishly with that. So a nice way to end the day, closed right at the high of the day, so you can't really complain much about that. In terms of support levels, going into tomorrow, the ideal level of support, meaning ideally this level would make the chart look the strongest. That's up at 0023 if that can hold, but if it doesn't, no need to panic or anything like that because you still have other support levels below you. The next level of support is going to be down here. You can see that kind of acted as a resistance during the afternoon. That is at 0019. And then the following level of support will be down here at the low of that candle, which is at 0015. So again, best case scenario would be if 0023 can hold, then the next level of support is at 0019, and then down here at 0015. In terms of resistances, pretty straightforward. It's essentially in blue sky breakout territory. So resistance-wise, you can see that there's just nothing over here. So going back to the 60, resistances don't have too much to say just because, like I said, blue sky breakout territory, so you're going to have to use your gut instincts. But, all in all, just a monster of a move, so it'll be fun to see how the rest of this week unfolds. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out my private trading group down here. What it is, it's a group of traders from beginners up to advanced traders. We get together, talk about stocks. I send out my weekly scans and watch list. And then we also have a live chat room coming soon, so you can hang out with me and other quality traders during the day. And that way you can stay on top of market news, market movers, all that good stuff in real time. So don't take my word for it, though. If anything, click up here on the testimonials. Read what other members are saying. That way you can get a good, objective outside opinion on things. So hopefully you decide to check it out. And better yet, hopefully you decide to join us. One more time, this was RIGH. Thanks for listening and have a good one.